Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to ANIVS Home School. Dear students, hope you are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. By the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is Jynal Abdin, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version, day shift. Today, I am going to take a class for class 2. Today's topic is, class 2 subject Islam, lecture number 3 and SW number 3, and term half yearly topic SQ. SQ number, that means short question C and D, and it is my name and it is my mobile number. If you want to know any kinds of information, please ask, phone this number and I will respond. Okay, let's today's topics SQ, that means short question C and D. C, does it take time when Allah wants to do a things? Short question C, does it take time when Allah wants to do a thing? Answer, no, Allah does not need time. When He wishes to do anything, He creates it out of nothing. Question number D, can we create anything out of nothing? Can we create anything out of nothing? Answer, no, we cannot create anything out of nothing. Only Allah is able to create anything out of nothing. Okay, dear students, I am telling again, today's topics SQ, that means short question. Our short question is C and D. Okay, C number question, does it take time when Allah wants to do a thing? Answer, no, Allah does not need time. When He wishes to do anything, He creates it out of nothing. Question D, can we create anything out of nothing? Answer, no, we cannot create anything out of nothing. Only Allah is able to create anything out of nothing. Okay, dear students, today's topic, that means your SW, SW number D. Okay, we will write your SW D. If you want to make the question, if you want, you can write, no problem, and if you want to only answer, no problem. Okay, dear students, again I say today's topics was SQ short question C, does it take time when Allah wants to do a thing, and D number, can we create anything out of nothing? Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topics clearly, and your topics, that means your SW number D, and we will submit your SW every Saturday, that means proper time, and we will write your SW. Every student must write your SW, because it will be evaluated your exam. You will get marks, evaluated marks, and if you don't submit it, you will didn't get a mark. For this reason, must we have to submit your SW. And if you any kinds of problem that you can't understand, must follow YouTube class. And if you want to not clearly, please ask me, because already I will give the phone number. Okay, today's here end. See you again inshallah next class. Assalamu alaikum.